Hello everybody, so my name is Jennifer Lomini and I'm going to present my book, A Bad Case of Stripes, written and illustrated by David Shannon to you guys. So here's a picture of what the cover looks like. So the story is about a young girl named Camila who really loves lima beans, but she's afraid to share her love for lima beans with her classmates since her class peers, since her friends dislike lima beans. So one morning, Camila wakes up covered in stripes. Camila's doctor said that she was healthy to attend school, but when she arrives, most of the other students tease her, and as they keep teasing her, her stripes begin to change. So, A Bad Case of Stripes, it touches on many age-appropriate themes such as identity, bullying, peer pressure, and self-perception. So this book is ideal for K to second. You could use it for third, but it might be third might be a little bit too advanced for this book. So my SMART goal is for Genesis, and Genesis' goal is to identify the main idea and supporting details. So after hearing A Bad Case of Stripes aloud or with a text reader, Genesis will correctly state the main idea and 1 to 3 supporting details. I will use a scorecard rubric to collect the data, and Genesis is going to keep working to get a 3 or better on a 5-point rubric in the next 9 weeks, which is 1 grading semester. So this is the rubric that I'm going to use. So if she gets a 5, that means she was able to find all the main ideas and supporting details on her own. If she got a 3, then she was able to find the main ideas and supporting details with help, and she was correct most of the time. And if she got a 1, that means she wasn't able to identify the main ideas or supporting details with help. So with the AAC device, I'm going to use the picture exchange communication, and also we're going to work on a storyboard. I really love storyboards because storyboards are a graphic organizer with pictures that can help display the series of events in a story. So not only being able to hear it, see it, and touch the storyboard parts, that's going to be able to help our students understand. So this is a storyboard, and I got it from storyboardthat.com. So there's some that are already made, or you can create your own based off of the book that you're going to use. So here's a picture of Camila, and then the next part is when she notices that she is green or covered with stripes, and then it shows how it was getting progressively worse, and at the end she was happy because she stopped caring what her friends was saying about lima beans. So this is the icons that I'll use for the story. So as we read, the students will go ahead and touch each icon. Camila loved lima beans. Camila did not eat them because her friends did not like them. And then here's more to Camila's story and the icons that's going to use to help know and understand the story. And then here's some more icons that I would use, and we can use this on the classroom tablets or classroom computers because these have sound to them. So as we're working on our rubric to identify those main ideas and supporting details, Genesis will be able to tap and hear. Friends. So when she taps that one, she can say friends. She can use this one.
Story. Main idea. Supporting detail. Uh-oh. Problem. Problem solved.
So as we work one-to-one or we work in a small group with the teacher and a few students, as we read the story, I can click the icon, they can hear the icon as we go through the story, so that way they can make that connection into memory. So whenever there's a part about friends, I'll click the friends. They can hear friends. Anytime that there's a supporting detail that I would want the student to know and pay attention to, I'll click the supporting detail icon so they can hear that prompt, and then from there we'll be able to build our storyboard into characters.